Switching Microsoft Word's writing style from grammar to grammar and refinement elevates the built-in proofing tool, turning the basic checker into an advanced editing assistant. For this, you need to right-click on the empty space on the ribbon and click on the Customize the ribbon. And then click on the proofing on the left side. And now scroll down and under the when correcting spelling and grammar in Word, you need to click on this writing style and change it to the grammar and refinements. You can also click on the setting button next to the drop down menu. A detail list will open where you can check or uncheck specific styles, elements like pacifies or glitches to tailor to the editor to your preferred tone. Now click OK to save and now click OK to apply. Keep in mind, while standard grammars only check for objective rule-based mistakes like misspelled words, wrong verbs, tenses, or missing punctuation, Grammar Refine acts like a development editor. So this way you can easily change writing style grammar to refinement in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.